Yes, this is the fourth lecture for differential calculus. Differential calculus means differential integrations and differentiations. So, a partial differential equation of first order. The definition of this one is a partial differentiation equation is a relation between the independent variables, dependent variables, and its partial derivatives. So we take some independent variables and dependent variables. Dependent variables means which we have to find the derivatives with which respective, that is dependent. Other is independent, means constants. Which is dependent, we take that the derivative of that function only. Other than, we take the constant. Other terms we take constants. From this, in this chapter, this topic, just we take what is the what are the values, constant terms we take, and what it denotes we take here. You see, first z is equal to f of xy. If the z function is in f of xy terms, z is equal to f of xy. Z is called a function of two independent variables x and y, the partial derivatives. But partial derivatives ఏ విధంగా మనం రాస్తాం, in what form we find the partial derivatives. So you see here, dou z by dou x, commonly dou z by dou x is denoted as p, and dou z by dou y is denoted as q, and dou 2z by dou x2 denoted as r. We take this just for one letter. Dou 2z by dou x2 means we differentiating z with two times, means with respect to 2, that is dou by dou x of dou z by dou x called dou 2z by dou x2 that is denoted by r, and dou 2z by dou x dou y is dou 2z by dou x dou y is dou 2z by dou y dou x. These two are same, that is denoted by, we take this, that is as a s. And another one is dou 2z by dou y2, means dou by dou z, dou by dou y of dou z by dou y, that is called, that is t. If you see these terms where dou z by dou x is equal to p, and dou z by dou y is equal to q, and dou z by dou x2 is equal to r, and dou 2z by dou x dou y, dou 2z by dou y dou x both are same, that is denoted as s. So dou 2z by dou y2 is equal to t we take. Whenever we see dou z by dou x, then we write the value of that is equal to p. Instead of dou z by dou x we write p, and instead of dou z by dou y we write q, and instead of dou 2z by dou x2 we write r, and these thing, this is s, and dou 2z by dou y2 is written as t. The simplification is simple form. An equation involving one or more partial derivatives is called a partial differentiation. Another definition for partial differentiation is an equation involving one or more partial derivatives. One and partial derivatives means dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y, these are all partial derivatives. These are called partial differentiations. Okay, we take one example. Solve z is equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square. Differentiating partially to equation 1 with respect to x is what? That is dou z by dou x. You see here, the given function z is equal to ax plus by plus a square plus b square is the function. First of all, we find what are the values for dou z by dou x and what is dou z by dou y, dou z by dou y. Whatever we write, and substitute in that equation, we get the differentiation equation, partial differential equation. Differentiating partially with respect to x, what we got? Dou z by dou x is equal to a plus by is 0, a square is 0 and b square is 0. Finally we got a. So dou z by dou x is equal to a only. And differentiating partially to equation 1 with respect to y, what we got? Differentiating partially to equation 1 with respect to y, that is dou z by dou y is equal to 0 plus b plus 0 plus 0 is equal to b. Therefore that is dou z by dou y is equal to b. Okay, so dou z is equal to dou z by dou x of x. Why? Because the value of dou z by dou x is equal to a, means the value of a, b and a square, b square, substitute in the given equation. What we got is here z is equal to dou z by dou x of a, x, because here given is ax, the value of a is dou z by dou x. So z is equal to dou z by dou x into x plus dou z by dou y into y plus a square is dou z by dou x square plus b square means dou z by dou y whole square. Because the value of dou z by dou x is equal to a and the value of dou z by dou y is equal to b, just we substitute here. Z is equal to dou z by dou x of x, dou z by dou y of y plus dou z by dou x whole square plus dou z by dou y whole square. But we know that the above dou z by, what is dou z by dou x actually? That is p denoted by p, and dou z by dou y is equal to q. Then we substitute z is equal to dou z by dou x into x means that is px, dou z by dou y into y means that is qy, and dou z by dou x whole square is p square, and dou z by dou y whole square is q square. So finally the differential equation is z is equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square. Here you remember that the values of p, q is, p is nothing but dou z by dou x and q is nothing but dou z by dou y. Generally we say, what is the algebraic equation generally? That is called ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the algebraic equation. And what is trigonometric equation? Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 5, like that. That is called trigonometric equation. And what is the differential equation? Means that is in the terms of dz by dx plus 5y is equal to 0 or is equal to 10, like that. That is called differential equations. Partially differential equations means that is px plus qy plus, like this, z is equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square. This is called partially derivatives, where p is dou z by dou x and q is dou z by dou y. So this is z is equal to px plus qy plus p square plus q square is nothing but, this is called partial differential equation. We take another equation, another problem. Solve z is equal to a of x plus y plus b of x minus y plus abt plus c. This equation can be changed into partial differential equations, means that is in dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y terms lo change cheyali, but dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y can be changed into pq terms. So z is equal to a of x plus y plus b of x minus y plus abt plus c. Differentiating one with respect to x, y and t respectively. So what is dou z by dou x? Dou z by dou x is differentiating z with respect to x. What we got, that is actually the equation is what? Ax plus ay plus bx minus by plus abt plus c. So dou z by dou x is, where are the x terms? That is ax plus bx is there. Ax plus bx means a into 1 plus b into 1. Remaining all terms are get 0 because this is partial differentiation. These all things are 0. So dou z by dou x we got a plus b, and dou z by dou y we got a minus b. Like this, y z is equal to, what are the y terms? That is ay minus by. Ay minus by means, that is definitely, that is called dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is nothing but a minus b. And like that, what is dou z by dou t? Dou z by dou t is nothing but a into b. Dou z by dou t, where is it? Because with respect to t terms, first term is cancelled, second term is cancelled, means 0 0, derivatives are 0 0, and the derivative of c also 0. Just ab into t, abt is, the derivative of t is 1, ab into 1 is ab. So finally we got here dou z by dou x is equal to a plus b, dou z by dou y is equal to a minus b, and dou z by dou t is equal to ab. By using these three values, we find the partial differentiation. You see here, squaring 2 and 3 we get. What is second equation? That is dou z by dou x is equal to a plus b. So what is a plus b whole square? That is dou z by dou x whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to dou x by dou x whole square means, what is the value of dou z by dou x? We can use dou z by dou x as p. So p square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab by elaborating the a plus b whole square. And what is a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square is nothing but dou z by dou y whole square. Dou z by dou y whole square means, that is equal to q square is equal to, because the value of dou z by dou y is q, that's why we say here q square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, because the value of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here we see 5 and 5th and 6th equations is there. That is p square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and q square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. What we want here, just here we want the equation is in pq terms, means the partial derivative terms. So now subtracting the equation 6 from the equation 5. 5 minus 6 చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 5, what is 5? p square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and what is 6? q square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. If you subtract 5 minus 6, that is p square minus q square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Both terms are cancelled, that is a square plus b square are cancelled. We got 2ab minus of minus 2ab 4ab. So finally what we get, p square minus q square is equal to 4ab. But what is ab? ab is nothing but dou z by dou t. So finally what is the partial derivative equation? That is p square minus q square is equal to 4 dou z by dou t. This is called the partial differential equation. Here what is the question? Z is equal to a of x plus y plus b of x minus y plus abt plus c. This is in the terms of algebraic equation. This algebraic equation we can change into the partial derivative equations. What is the partial derivative equation here? Means this is p square minus q square is equal to 4 dou z by dou t, where p is equal to dou z by dou x and q is equal to dou z by dou y. Otherwise we write here p square instead of p square minus q square, that is dou z by dou x whole square minus dou z by dou y whole square is equal to 4 dou z by dou t. But we can use common terms. For dou z by dou x is equal to p and dou z by dou y is equal to q. That's why the final equation is p square minus q square is equal to 4 dou z by dou t is the partial derivative, the partial differential equation. You can solve here from algebraic equation to the partial differential equation. So somebody says that dou p, what is pq is also algebraic. No, that is pq. Here the values of pq is dou z by dou x and dou z by dou. You remember that must, because here we substitute dou z by dou x a plus b whole square is equal to dou z by dou x whole square, means you write p square is equal to a plus b whole square. That's why you can change this equation into pq terms. Wherever you see in the pq terms in the partial differential equation, that is p is nothing but dou z by dou x and q is dou z by dou y. You must remember this. Yes. You see another example. Z is equal to f of x square minus y square. Z is equal to f of x square minus y square is the question. What we have to change here? This algebraic equation must be changed into partial differential equation. So this is z is equal to f of x square minus y square. You take that is the first equation. Differentiating the equation 1 partially with respect to x. What is the equation? That is f of x square minus y square, because the term z is in xy terms. So what is the derivative of this one? Dou z by dou x is f dash, because the function of f of x, function is f of x, the derivative of that f of x is f dash x. So dou z by dou x is equal to f dash x square minus y square into the internal derivative for x square minus y square with respect to x is 2x. So dou z by dou x is equal to f dash x square minus y square into 2x. Again, so this is dou z by dou x, this is f dash x square minus y square into 2x. Again, differentiating partially with respect to y. The equation is dou z by dou y is equal to same because the function is in xy terms, that's why we write dou z by dou y is equal to f dash x square minus y square. The internal derivative for x square minus y square with respect to y partially is minus 2y, because the derivative of x square is 0, the derivative of minus y square is minus 2y. So dou z by dou y we got f dash x square minus y square into minus 2y. Divide the equation 2 by the equation 3, or 2 by 3 or 3 by 2, whatever you got, you just take this one. So dou z by dou x by dou z by dou y. What is dou z by dou x? That is f dash x square minus y square into 2x. And what is dou z by dou y? That is f dash x square minus y square into minus 2y. Here 2 cancel, and f dash x square minus y square, f dash x square minus, both are cancelled because they are in the numerator denominator. Finally what we get? P by q is equal to minus x by y. P by q is equal to minus x by y means, if we cross multiplication these two terms, that is minus py is equal to qx, or qx plus py is equal to 0. This is our required partial differential equation because of first order. First order means because here is only pq is there. Pq means dou z by dou x is there. If R and S T R S becomes in the problem, that is second degree equation. Second degree means second derivative equations. So finally we got what is the question in algebraic question is there. ఇక్కడ algebraic question ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు z is equal to f of x square minus y square is the algebraic function. That algebraic function can be converted into partial differential equation, that is px plus qx plus py is equal to 0, or dou z by dou y of x plus dou z by dou x of y is equal to 0. It is our required partial differential equation of first order equation, first order degree, first order. So these types are questions are called where z is equal to f of the given function is in both terms, that is xy terms, that is x square minus y square means here independent variables of x square y square are there. So z is equal to f of x square minus y square. So differentiating the equation with respect to x we got dou z by dou x, differentiating z with respect to of y we got dou z by dou y. Then find the dou z by dou x, dou z by dou y. What we have here, you see here, what type of simplification, from that simplification what we get, that is the important one, because you see in the second equation dou z by dou y of f dash x square minus y square into minus 2y, and dou z by dou x also f dash some x square minus y square into 2x. Both are same means what from what we think here, these two equation, these are two terms are cancelled, because f dash cancel means we don't subtract, don't addition, don't do multiplication. By division only these two are cancelled. That's why we take division of these two equations, that is dou z by dou x by dou z by dou y. Same terms in RHS also, f dash x square minus y square by f dash x square minus y square into 2x into minus 2y. These both terms are cancelled. The value of dou z by dou x is p, and value of dou z by dou y is q, is equal to minus x by y. We can find by cross multiplication, that is minus py is equal to minus py is equal to qx, and qx plus py is equal to 0. Finally we got the partial differential equation from algebraic equation. So these the methods how to find the partial differential equations into algebraic equation into partial differential equations. Okay.